When it comes to protecting your home and family, windows are more than just architectural features that let in light. They're one of the most important components of your home's overall security system. For homeowners in Covington, where seasonal storms and occasional property crimes can pose real threats, properly installed windows offer much more than aesthetic value. They provide a critical line of defense. Let's explore why proper window installation is so important for your Covington home's security, and how making the right choices now can protect your loved ones and property for years to come. Strong windows are only as secure as their installation. You can purchase the most advanced, impact-resistant windows on the market, but if they aren't installed correctly, their performance and security benefits are drastically reduced. Gaps, misalignments, or improper sealing can create vulnerabilities that intruders, or even a strong storm, can exploit. Proper installation ensures that the window frame is tightly secured to the structure. Locks and hardware function is designed. Glass panes are firmly seated and sealed. There are no weak points for prying or forced entry. In short, correct installation gives your windows the structural integrity they need to resist break-ins and withstand extreme weather. Deterrence against break-ins. Improperly installed or older windows are often a top target for intruders, especially those at ground level or in low visibility areas. A poorly installed window might not latch correctly or could be lifted out of its track with minimal effort. Professional installation ensures your windows have fully functioning locks and reinforced framing, making it much harder for would-be intruders to force their way in. When criminals see well-installed, secure windows, they're far more likely to move on to an easier target. Protection against severe weather. Covington experiences a range of weather conditions, from high winds and heavy rain to occasional snow and ice. Windows are a critical barrier against the elements, but only if they're properly installed. When a window isn't securely fastened or sealed, water can seep in during storms, leading to water damage, mold, and structural deterioration. Even worse, strong winds can rattle or dislodge loosely installed windows, creating a major breach in your home's envelope. Proper window installation helps prevent these issues by ensuring your windows meet local building codes and can withstand Covington's varied climate challenges. Maximizing the security features of modern windows. Many of today's replacement windows come equipped with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems, laminated or tempered safety glass, and reinforced sashes. These features are designed to provide enhanced protection, but they only work as intended when installed correctly. A trusted window installer will ensure that these features are properly integrated and tested, so you can take full advantage of the window's built-in security benefits. Peace of mind for you and your family. Perhaps the most important benefit of proper window installation is the peace of mind it brings. Knowing your home is protected from intruders, harsh weather, and potential accidents gives you the confidence to enjoy your space without worry. Whether you're home with your family or away on vacation, secure windows installed by a qualified professional add an extra layer of safety to your most valuable asset, your home. Long-term value and protection. Properly installed windows are more durable, require fewer repairs, and offer better energy efficiency, which also contributes to your home's overall resilience and value. When your windows perform well over time, you save money on utilities, reduce maintenance, and avoid the costs of damage due to leaks or breaches. Final thought. For Covington homeowners, window installation is about more than just looks. It's a foundational element of home security. Choosing a reputable local contractor with a track record of proper installation ensures that your investment in new windows delivers maximum protection, performance, and peace of mind. Don't compromise your home's safety with shortcuts or DIY fixes. Trust experienced professionals to install your windows the right way, and enjoy the long-lasting benefits of a secure, well-protected home.